Let's learn how to generate electricity from a potato. Take a potato. Now take a knife and make a small hole inside the potato enough to fit a bulb. Take 2 magnets and place on each side of potato. Take a copper wire. Now insert the copper wire into these magnets and insert ends into potato. Repeat it. Now place the bulb in the hole. Wow! See, potato can be used to generate electricity. Moral is, potato juice contains many water-soluble chemicals that may cause a chemical reaction with one or both of our copper wire. So we get some electricity from that. Let's learn how the candles are blown off in presence of CO2. Take an empty glass. Now put 3 lighted candles in a row. Take another empty glass. Put some soda in the empty glass. Now pour some vinegar into it. Now take this glass with soda and vinegar near an empty glass so carbon dioxide passes to it. Now take the glass with carbon dioxide and move over candles. Wow! The carbon dioxide from the glass blow the candles. Moral is, when you mix baking soda and vinegar, you produce carbon dioxide. Now flame needs oxygen to sustain and carbon dioxide acts as fire extinguisher. Let's make your own water pump with balloon and a bottle. Take an empty bottle. Now make a small hole with drill machine halfway up on one side of the bottle. Put a straw through the hole. Now seal the hole with a glue. Take an empty glass and place below the straw. Now remove the bottle cap. Now fill up the bottle with some water. Now blow up a balloon and hold it. Wow! The air in the balloon pushes the water out, creating your own water pump. Morlez, pressure is created when air is trapped inside balloon. By releasing the air from the balloon into the bottle, water is forced out through the straw, creating a water pump.